We now move to 1D. D, 7 kilograms. We want to convert 7 kilograms to grams. We know 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Therefore, 7 kilograms will be equal to 7 kilograms over 1 kilogram times 1,000 grams, giving us 7,000 grams. 7,000 grams. That is D, 1D. We can move on to 2A. 2A, we need to convert 14 kilograms to grams. 14 kilograms to grams. We will follow the same process. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Therefore, 14 kilograms will be equal to 14 kilograms over 1 kilogram times 1,000 times 1,000 grams, giving us 14,000 times 1,000, because this will cancel with that. So we have 14,000 grams. 14,000 grams. That is 2A. Then 2B. 2B, we are converting 2.5 kilograms to grams. 2.5 kilograms to grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Therefore, 2.5 kilograms will be equal to 2.5 kilograms over 1 kilogram times 1,000 grams. 1,000 grams. 1,000 grams. So this cancels with this. We need to multiply 2.5. You want to multiply here. 2.5 times 1,000. 2.5 times 1,000. I'll continue from this side. 2.5 times 1,000. This is a mixed fraction. We need to convert it to an improper fraction first, then we multiply by 1,000. 2.5 is equal to 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 1, 5. So we have 5 over 2 times 1,000. 5 over 2 times 1,000. 2 goes here once, 2 goes here 500 times. So 500 times 5 is equal to 2,500 grams. 2,500 grams. So 2.5 kilograms is equal to 2,500 grams. That is B. Then you can move on to C. 2C. 2C, 3.5 kilograms. 3.5 kilograms. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Therefore, 3.5 kilograms will be equal to 3.5 kilograms over 1 kilogram times 1,000 grams. Times 1,000 grams. So this will cancel with this. Then we are left here with 3.5 times 1,000. 3.5 times 1,000. This is an improper fraction. We convert it. This is a mixed fraction. We convert it into an improper fraction. So 2 times 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 over 2 times 1,000. 2 goes here once, 2 goes here 500 times. So 500 times 7 is equal to 3,500 kilograms. 3,500 kilograms. 3.5 kilograms is equal to 3,500 kilograms. Then let's do D. 2D. 2D, 4.25 kilograms. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Therefore, 4.25 kilograms will be equal to 4.25 over 1 times 1,000 times 1,000. This is a mixed number converted into an improper fraction. This will be equal to 4 times 4 is 16 plus 1, 17 over 4 times 1000 times 1000. 4 goes into 4 once, 4 goes into 1000, 250 times. 250 times. So we have 250 times 17. This will give us 4, 3, 5 here. 5 times 7, 35, right? 5 carry 3, 8, 5, 0, 2, 4. So this is equal to 4,250 grams. 4¼ grams is equal to 4,450 grams.